Networking has long been touted as a critical tool for career advancement and professional success. Beyond merely exchanging business cards at events or connecting on LinkedIn, effective networking can significantly impact your financial well-being. Building and maintaining strong professional relationships can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and resources that can ultimately lead to wealth accumulation. In this video, we delve into the various ways networking can make you rich, so make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Number 10. Diverse expertise and perspectives. A diversified network includes people from different backgrounds, industries, and life experiences. This diversity serves as an inventory of knowledge and viewpoints that are invaluable when confronting complex challenges or looking for novel solutions. You'll find a diverse range of talents in your network, including legal experts, marketing virtuosos, IT enthusiasts, and financial maestros, all of whom are eager to share their unique views and advice. For instance, if you're an entrepreneur entering the healthcare tech sector and dealing with a series of regulatory hurdles, a strong network of healthcare professionals, legal experts in healthcare law, and other tech-savvy entrepreneurs can be a valuable resource. They offer critical guidance on managing the industry's intricacies, assuring your success in negotiating regulatory difficulties and encouraging innovation. Thus, by cultivating a diverse network, you not only expand your knowledge base but also gain access to a wealth of expertise and support that propels your entrepreneurial endeavors forward. Number 9. Introduces to industry leaders. Accessing experienced professionals, industry leaders, and other influential figures in your industry can be tough, especially when you're just starting your career. However, networking can make it easier by helping you build connections with important people. Typically, the professionals in your network will naturally introduce you to other experienced industry professionals. But if your current network is small and you haven't built any powerful connections yet, consider attending professional conferences where you can meet industry leaders. If you're bold enough, try striking up a conversation with a keynote speaker that interests you after their speech. They'll probably be pleased to answer any inquiries you have. If you're lucky, this connection may lead to a mentorship opportunity. In other words, networking can help you meet industry specialists who you might not otherwise have met. This is another reason why networking is so important and how it can contribute to your wealth. Number 8. Get career advice and support. Business networking is like having a group of friends who are all experts in different fields. Imagine you're planning a road trip and you need advice on the best route to take. Instead of just asking your one friend who's been on a road trip before, you have a whole group of friends who have all traveled different routes and can give you different perspectives and advice. In business networking, you have a group of people with different experiences and knowledge that you can tap into for advice and support in your business endeavors. Furthermore, providing genuine assistance to your professional contacts will help to build good ties that may be called on for aid in the future. Building a supportive peer network can be useful when seeking guidance or resources, and it can also play a vital role in job growth and success. Number 7. Makes you noticeable. Attending networking events regularly allows you to introduce yourself to hundreds of individuals. Increased visibility is another reason why networking is crucial. Essentially, the larger your network, the more people will be aware of what you have to give and what you are searching for. So whether you're a business owner or seeking work, increasing your visibility can lead to new business and employment chances. If you want people to recognize and remember you, a useful piece of advice is to learn other people's names. Individuals often don't put much effort into remembering names, especially when they're meeting dozens of new individuals. Nonetheless, referring to them by name will make your talks appear more personal and genuine. Furthermore, calling people by their names helps them feel more important, resulting in a positive first impression. Number 6. Teaches you how to benchmark your business performance. Networking enables comparison with other professionals and industry leaders, revealing strengths and areas for improvement. By connecting with these organizations, you gain insights into effective strategies and operational efficiencies. For instance, you might discover a successful marketing approach or streamlined production process. Such insights help in identifying your business's strengths and weaknesses. Continual assessment and adjustment based on these learnings ensure competitiveness in your market. Through networking, you not only learn from others' successes, but also their challenges, enabling you to adapt and thrive in your industry. Stay connected, exchange ideas, and keep evolving to maintain a strong position in your business landscape. Number 5. Promotes business growth. Networking is vital for business owners as it promotes business growth by facilitating expansion opportunities. By increasing awareness through networking, freelancers and business owners can effectively showcase their products and services to a wider audience, potentially leading to increased sales and revenue. Moreover, networking enables the expansion of customer bases as satisfied customers are likely to recommend products or services to others. Staying abreast of industry trends is made easier through networking, allowing entrepreneurs to adapt and innovate in response to changing market dynamics. Additionally, networking provides valuable insights and feedback from peers and industry leaders, aiding in product improvement and refinement. Overall, networking plays a crucial role in the growth and success of businesses. Number 4, build your brand identity. Your brand is like your business's personality, shaping how people perceive and remember your company. As the owner or leader, you play a big role in this. Interacting with other professionals offers a chance to showcase your brand's values. Being consistently friendly, helpful, and genuine associates these traits with your business. This helps your company stand out in a crowded market, making it easily recognizable. A powerful brand generates more exposure and success. When people have a favorable impression of your company, they are more likely to spread the news. This attracts new clients and creates expansion prospects. Consider your brand to be the heart of your business, guiding its direction and affecting its success. To sum it up, your business does have a brand, and you play a vital role in shaping and enhancing it. Number 3, access to new clients. Building relationships with people in your industry or related ones can help you find new business opportunities. It's especially useful if you want to grow your client base or find new ways to make money. You can meet new clients by networking with other business owners or experts in your industry. They may know people who require what you provide and could refer them to you. This is an effective technique to begin working with potential clients. You can also meet new clients by attending industry events or joining professional organizations. These events and groups allow you to meet others who are interested in what you do. They can assist you in demonstrating that you are knowledgeable and trustworthy in your profession. Number 2, enhance knowledge and skills. Networking increases your knowledge power, and not just by obtaining insider information about the latest big deal. Having like-minded business owners and entrepreneurs with whom you can consult allows you to learn and get advice on any possible topic relating to your business and achieve that crucial work-life balance. In this society, family and business are inextricably linked, thus preserving positive family and business connections is a top priority for everyone. Networking is an excellent approach to gaining advice and experience that you would not otherwise be able to obtain. Solid counsel from the appropriate person can be crucial to both career and personal success. That information can be gained through heated conversations, dinner meetings, or even casual exchanges of common interest. Networking frequently leads to advanced training, conferences, and mentoring contacts that you would not have had otherwise. A suggestion from a prominent entrepreneur or business owner for a conference or learning path can lead you to invaluable knowledge. Number 1, increase confidence. Growing confidence is essential for business success. By regularly engaging with new people in the right networks, you can boost your confidence. As a business owner or entrepreneur, talking to the right people and building lasting connections is crucial for growth. As you become more involved in conversations and establish lasting connections, your confidence continues to grow. This growing confidence can lead to wealth creation in several ways. Firstly, confident entrepreneurs are better at seizing opportunities. They are more likely to pitch their ideas, negotiate deals, and take calculated risks. Secondly, confidence attracts investors and partners. People are more willing to invest in or collaborate with someone who exudes confidence in their vision and abilities. Lastly, confidence often leads to effective leadership. Confident business owners can inspire and motivate their teams, driving productivity and innovation, which are key ingredients for business success and wealth accumulation. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more exciting content. Thanks for watching.